Alright, so this video got a master lock, lockout, takeout, safety lock. I actually got 3 of these from eBay. And can't remember how much I paid. I've had them for like a week or something, and the package fell behind the washing machine. I mean, next to the dryer, and I just left it there. So finally getting around to trying to pick them. This would be second attempt at this one here. Pulled it right out of the bag there, and got 5 minutes into it and didn't have it open. So it's a little bit long for a video that you're not also gutting a lock. There's a false set. I get my pick. A lower profile pick would be better. Let's try that. Make sure it's not open. As I had a false set and got some counter rotation on it. And you can't put a ton of pressure with this tension wrench. There we go. Alright, that just feels like it's full of a ton of spools. Yeah, it's kind of fun to pick, so I got 2 more to try. So that's all for now. And I guess we'll leave you with the words of the great old dirty bastard. Wu-Tang, Wu-Tang.